Hello everyone! In this video I'll be teaching you German vocabulary of frequency, mostly adverbs. In the word order of a sentence, those come at the temporal adverb position, as seen in the example sentence. Ich spiele Fußball. I play or am playing football. Let's begin. Every day. Jeden Tag. Ich spiele jeden Tag Fußball. Daily, täglich. Always, immer. There's also the word stets, which is a bit more formal, but it is sometimes used ironically, so be careful with that one. All the time, die ganze Zeit. You can also say ständig. Ständig is often used in a negative context when you're annoyed by something. Usually, normally, normalerweise. Or meistens, meist. Those literally mean mostly. Gewöhnlich or für gewöhnlich. Often, oft. Also häufig. And there's also öfters, which is a bit more like quite often. Sometimes, manchmal. Occasionally, gelegentlich. Once in a while, ab und zu, or hin und wieder, or von Zeit zu Zeit, but also ab und an. Rarely, selten. Hardly, kaum. There's also fast nie and fast gar nicht. They literally mean almost never or almost not at all. Never, nie. You can also say niemals, but it sounds more like an unwillingness to do something. So put in the sentence, it sounds like this. Ich spiele täglich Fußball. Ich spiele normalerweise Fußball. Ich spiele gelegentlich Fußball. Ich spiele selten Fußball. Ich spiele kaum Fußball. Ich spiele nie Fußball. Tschüss!